Step 1. First of all, take panel number 1 and insert 2 Minifix barrels and 2 Allen barrel into it. Also repeat this step for panel number 2. Step 2. Now take panel number 3 and first insert 4 Allen barrels on top side of panel and then 2 wooden dowels in both side of panel. Step 3. Take panel number 4 and insert 2 wooden dowels in both sides of the panel. Also repeat this step for other panel number 4. Step 4. Join panel number 3 with panel number 1 and make sure that the rough side of both panels are facing downward. Insert 2 Allen bolts in panel number 1 and tighten them with the help of Allen key. Step 5. Now one by one, join both panel number 4 with panel number 1. Before joining panels, make sure that the rough side of both panel number 4 is facing downward, just like panel number 1 and 3. Step 6. First join panel number 2 with other panels, then insert 2 Allen bolts in panel number 2 and tighten them with the help of Allen key. Step 7. Insert 2 floor protectors on bottom side of both panel number 1 and 2, and then tighten them with the help of screws. Step 8. Now insert 2 wooden dowel on top side of both panel number 1 and 2. Step 9. Tighten 4 Minifix screws on the top of panel number 5. Step 10. First carefully join panel number 5 on top of both panel number 1 and 2. Now tighten all 4 Minifix barrels one by one. Step 11. First, with the help of other person, carefully connect mirror panel with panel number 1 and 2. Then insert 4 Allen bolts in mirror panel and tighten them with the help of Allen key. Step 12. First take door panel and place door hinges in its position and then tighten each hinges with the help of 2 screws. Now take door handle and tighten them with the help of handle screw. Step 13. First carefully align both door hinges with holes given in panel number 2. After aligning, tighten both hinges one by one with the help of 4 screws. We have now completed the assembly of dressing table. If you enjoyed your experience, please leaving us a good rating and feedback on Amazon. Thank you for shopping with us. Hope you love the Wood Express dressing table.